morning, students all over the world. Once again, this is Coca Junior Secondary School in continuation of our computer made easy. With me this morning is one of our best students in the school and the principal of the school. So this week you are going to enjoy the topic. Thank you very much. Yes, once again we want to welcome you back from the lockdown to all our students in JSS 2. Once again, my name is Olasunkanmi Gbeleyi, your facilitator for this subject. So our first lesson will be looking at basic computer concept. For this topic, we'll be looking at the objective as follows. We will revise and discuss some of the salient topics in JSS 1 lessons, and you will also take part in a welcome back test. Don't be afraid at all. They are going to be very simple questions. Yes, before we go into what we have for today, a little joke for us: a programmer's why coding. There is no difference between programming and coding. You are just trying to instruct the computer of how to carry out basic instructions that you wanted. This young man is saying it does not work. Why? It works. Why? Meaning you need to ask questions most of the time you come across a particular new concept. Yes, the first one from JSS 1 topic, we'll be looking at the definition of a computer. That it is a device, it's an electronic device because it's making use of electricity that processes data or data, accept the data, processes data. It can also store the data and gives you an output based on your predefined format. And the desktop computer can be seen from this slide. You see, this like a box is regarded as the system unit, and the monitor is there, the keyboard is there, and the mouse. The various parts of the computer from this slide you can see. We have the speaker, that's an output device. The monitor is also an output device. You have the system unit and the computer case. The processor is inside. We have the CD-ROM, the floppy disk. We have the mouse, the printer, the keyboard, and the rest. Yes, we now want to look at another topic in our JSS 1 second term topic. That's the description of the computer monitor. You remember we said it is an output device, and that output device of the monitor is regarded as a soft copy, because you cannot see what is going on the monitor. You can see it, but you cannot feel it, you cannot touch it. And the types of monitor that we have, they have the monochrome monitor, the colored monitors. And you remember, if you are working on the word processor, you can identify the prompt or the cursor that blinks while you are about to type anything in the word processor. That blinking device is regarded as the cursor. The system is telling you that it is ready to accept any input. Now we are looking at another topic in the third term scheme of work for JSS 1. All these are part of our revision. I hope all of you are following. If you have any question, you can jot it down at your convenience. You can pause this video, look at it, jot down some of the salient points as revisions, and you can ask questions at the end of the lesson. The types of computers that we have, there are basically three of them. The analog, the digital, and the hybrid. The analog computers are those types of computer that works on discrete variables like 1, 2, they are discrete. That's the digital, they work on discrete variables, and they have 1, 2, 3 numbers that you can vividly see, while the analogs are in form of measurements. For example, your wall clock, you will see that the hand of the minutes and the seconds are going all around clockwise all the time for you to denote. And when we are looking at the hybrid computer, it has the combination of the analog and the digital. Further classification of the computer is what you can see by my right hand side, by types, by size, and by purpose. So what have we done so far in this welcome lesson after the lockdown? We have basically looked at what the computer is, the computer monitor, and the type of computer. So for our welcome back test, yes, I know most of you are well refreshed. Most of you have been going along with us on our online platform. So you have to attempt this and submit in the class today. So in our next lesson, which will be our first topic in JSS2, we'll be looking at the classification of computers. Thank God I've given you some brief about it. Classification based on size, classification based on purpose, and so on and so forth. If you have any question, like I said, you can ask by sending to the WhatsApp platform of JSS2, and you can also send to my email gbeleyi@yahoo.com. So from me, your facilitator for this subject, Olasunkanmi Gbeleyi, keep the distance and put on your face mask as usual, and God bless you. Thank you for listening.